You need to watch this if you struggle with dull skin or low energy. Today, we are diving into the powerful connection between the foods you eat and how they can transform the way you look and feel. We hear it all the time. You are what you eat. And honestly, there's a lot of truth to that old saying. When we fuel our bodies with nutrient-rich foods, it shows. We're going to be diving deep into 7 superfoods that can absolutely transform your skin and give you that radiant glow we all want. These aren't just random foods. These are powerhouses packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and all the good stuff your body craves. So, if you're ready to look and feel your best, stick around because we're about to unlock the secrets to glowing skin and vibrant health together. First up, we have a fan favorite, blueberries. These little guys are like nature's candy, sweet, delicious, and oh, so good for you. But what makes them a superfood, you ask? Well, blueberries are bursting with antioxidants. And when we're talking about your skin, antioxidants are like superheroes fighting off those nasty free radicals that can cause premature aging. Think of free radicals as those pesky things in the environment that damage your skin and lead to wrinkles and fine lines. Antioxidants neutralize those bad boys, helping your skin stay youthful and vibrant. But that's not all blueberries do. They also help protect your skin's collagen, which is like the scaffolding that keeps your skin firm and plump. And let's not forget about the boost of vitamin C you get from blueberries, which is essential for collagen production. So start adding a handful of blueberries to your breakfast, smoothies, or even just snacking on them throughout the day. Your skin will thank you for it. Next up, we're diving into the wonders of salmon. Now, I know some of you might not be seafood lovers, but trust me on this one. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for healthy skin. What are omega-3 fatty acids? Think of them as the good fats that your body and skin absolutely love. They help keep your skin hydrated from the inside out, which is key for that plump, dewy look we all want. But the benefits of omega-3s don't stop there. They also have incredible anti-inflammatory properties. So if you suffer from skin conditions like acne, eczema, or rosacea, increasing your intake of omega-3 fatty acids can be a game changer. Salmon is also a great source of vitamin D, which is essential for skin cell growth and repair. So, aim to include salmon in your diet at least twice a week. You can grill it, bake it, or even add it to salads. Now, let's talk about a vegetable that often gets overlooked: spinach. This leafy green is an absolute powerhouse of nutrients. And I'm not just talking about Popeye-like strength here. Spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy skin and overall well-being. First off, spinach is an excellent source of vitamin A, which is crucial for skin cell growth and turnover. It also helps regulate oil production, which can be beneficial for those prone to breakouts. But wait, there's more. Spinach is also a good source of vitamin C, which, as we discussed earlier, is vital for collagen production. And let's not forget about the antioxidants present in spinach, such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help protect your skin from damage caused by UV rays and environmental pollutants. So don't be afraid to load up on spinach. Add it to your smoothies, salads, soups, or even sauté it as a side dish. Let's move on to a food that many consider a true gift from nature, the avocado. Now, I know some people shy away from avocados because of their fat content, but let me tell you, these are the good fats, the ones your body loves. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which help keep your skin moisturized and supple. They also contain a powerful antioxidant called glutathione, which helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. But the benefits don't stop there. Avocados are also a great source of vitamin E, which is known for its anti-aging properties. Vitamin E helps protect your skin from sun damage and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So, go ahead and add some avocado to your diet. Spread it on toast, add it to salads, or whip up some delicious guacamole. Now, let's talk about a root vegetable that's not only delicious but also incredibly good for your skin. The sweet potato. This vibrant orange vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients that support skin health from the inside out. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. We've already talked about the benefits of vitamin A for skin cell growth and oil regulation, but it's worth repeating. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of vitamin C and fiber, both of which are essential for overall health and glowing skin. So, how can you incorporate more sweet potatoes into your diet? You can roast them, bake them, mash them, or even add them to smoothies. Next up, let's talk about a nut that's often overlooked when it comes to skin health, the mighty walnut. These little powerhouses are packed with nutrients that can help you achieve that radiant complexion you've always wanted. Walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which, as we discussed earlier, are essential for keeping your skin hydrated and supple. They're also a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps eliminate toxins from your body. But the benefits don't stop there. Walnuts are also rich in antioxidants, including ellagic acid, which helps protect your skin from damage caused by UV rays and environmental pollutants. So make it a habit to snack on a handful of walnuts every day. You can also add them to your breakfast cereals, salads, or trail mixes. Finally, let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its incredible health benefits, including its remarkable effects on skin health. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties make turmeric a superstar ingredient for combating various skin issues, from acne and eczema to premature aging. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation in the body, which is often the root cause of many skin problems. It also fights off free radicals, protecting your skin from damage and promoting a more youthful appearance. So how can you incorporate more turmeric into your diet? You can add it to smoothies, soups, stews, or even make yourself a warm cup of turmeric milk before bedtime. So there you have it. 7 superfoods that can transform your skin and boost your overall health. These foods are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients that your body craves. Start incorporating these superfoods into your diet today, and watch your skin and health transform. Remember, true beauty starts from within. By nourishing your body with the right foods, you'll not only look better, but you'll also feel incredible. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips, and share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing.